What's up, everybody? This is Noah for Noah Tour Review. I'm back with another video. Today I will be reviewing called A Mystery Inside His Mystery Box. Stay tuned. Rip it open. Go ahead and... Took the plastic off. So how do I open it? Now yes, open it. Oh! Oh! Does this work? Hey Google. Oh, at least. And then you have this little thing, and you get this.
Show me your little Google. Your little Google Mini.
This is my little Google Mini. I always wanted this. I was gonna get this for my birthday, but it just came today. So here's the Google, we call it the Google Mini charging station. And then here's the little magazine.
The instructions.
The instruction, and then we'll be right back until we set it up. So I just got my Google Mini. Ooh.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. By the way, the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch on the back of Google Home.
Turn the little switch.
The mic's back on.
Say, hey Google, tell me the weather.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet.
Touch it.
To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
I guess we have to download it. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today, it'll be sunny, with a forecasted high of 107 and a low of 76.
Hey Google! Tell me a story.
Alright, here you go. This is The Golden Goose from Storynori on Google Play Books.
The Golden Goose. A woodcutter and his wife had 3 sons. The eldest 2 were tall and handsome, and in the eyes of their parents could do no wrong. The youngest was neither tall nor handsome, and the whole family called him Dummy, because they said he was soft in the head. One day, the eldest son got ready to cut wood. His mother wrapped up some of her best sponge cake for his lunch. After he had been chopping trees for a while, he sat down to eat. He was just opening his mouth when a little man with a grey beard appeared. "Please, sir, do share your cake with me."
So we had so much fun with Google. We heard a story. We could tell weathers and this and that. If you're interested in this video,
Go ahead and pick up that Google Home Mini.
and it's in a link in the description below. So get it so fast, or you could get it out for your parents. To click the link in the description below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Press that like button if you like Google or not. Bye.